During the planning and booking process, you will be able to choose your own meals from our sample menu. Things like barbecue chicken, or roast turkey dinner, or grilled cheese sandwiches. And we also accommodate for different dietary restrictions, any kind of allergies you have, things that you probably haven't even heard of, we can accommodate it and make sure that all your needs are met dietary-wise.